Hey guys, at JuniorX Innovation Academy, we work with kids and teens to develop critical skills in computational thinking and Python, you see, because these are the skills of the future. Now, if you're a millennial like me, you probably grew up, with games like Pac-Man, Tetris, Mario, Space Invaders. They're called arcade games. By 2025, the market for arcade games is going to hit more than $1 billion in revenue, okay? In JuniorX Academy, across all of our product lines, in Code Academy, where we teach kids and teens to code, in schools Coding Launchpad, where we work with schools to develop computational thinking and programming among their students, and in our Innovation Academy, where we work with kids to code on microprocessors. We're going to be introducing courses to help students to develop their computational thinking skills and programming skills using the arcade development environment. Believe it or not, the arcade revolution is coming back, and I'm happy about it, and so should you be too. If you want to know more of what we do, then go to JuniorX.academy. That's JuniorX.academy and sign up for any of the courses or programs there.